हाय गाइस, मानस क्लासरूम में आप सभी का स्वागत है। तो पिछले क्लास में हमने पढ़ा था कोविड-19 आउटब्रेक के बारे में और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं सोशल साइंस प्रोजेक्ट, मतलब डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट का टॉपिक है, डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले आता है व्हाट इज डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट। व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट? अ डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट is any occurrence that causes widespread distress and destruction. The definition of disaster management isn't about stopping such an event when it occurs, rather, it is about reducing the impact of these events on a company or community. When you don't create a plan to deal with disasters, you could end up having to ideal with lost revenue and massive human casualties. Disaster management covers a whole range of events including communication failures, public disorder, terrorism, natural disaster and artificial disaster like electrical fires and industrial sabotage. तो अब हम देखेंगे अब क्या क्या पढ़ेंगे हम इंडेक्स। फर्स्ट स्लाइड में अपन ने टॉपिक देखा, सेकंड स्लाइड में अपन ने एक्नॉलेजमेंट देखी, थर्ड स्लाइड में अपन ने इंडेक्स देखा और अब 4 से 20 स्लाइड के बारे में हम देखेंगे इंट्रो, टाइप्स, मिटिगेशन, रिहेबिलिटेशन, केस स्टडीज़, कंक्लूजन एंड बिब्लियोग्राफी। तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन। Disaster management as a subject essentially deals with management of resources and information as far as a disastrous event is concerned, and also how effectively and seamlessly and coordinates these resources. Disaster management at the individual and organizational level deals with issues of planning, coordinating, communication, and risk management. A book to teach disaster management would accomplish very little unless a broad spectrum of knowledge is shared regarding effects of various types of disasters, their dimensions and characteristics, the role of United Nations in complex emergencies, and the role of Indian government in prevention and control of disasters. Equally important is the knowledge about various international and national agencies involved in disaster relief and humanitarian assistance. This book covers all of these subjects in order to enhance the ability of students and professionals for better disaster response. हमने देख लिया इंट्रोडक्शन। अब हम देखेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ डिजास्टर। फर्स्ट है अर्थक्वेक, सेकेंड है वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन, थर्ड सुनामी, फोर्थ ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन, टाइफून, हरिकेन कहते हैं जिसे अपन, फ्लड, फिर हम देखेंगे लैंडस्लाइड एंड बुशफायर, फिर देखेंगे एपिडेमिक, फिर देखेंगे मेजर एक्सीडेंट, फिर देखेंगे सिविल अनरेस्ट, फिर देखेंगे ड्रॉट। पहले हम देखते हैं इफेक्ट्स ऑफ डिजास्टर। लॉस ऑफ लाइफ, इंजरी, डैमेज टू एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी, डैमेज टू एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ प्लांटेशन एंड क्रॉप, डिस्क्रप्शन ऑफ production, disruption of lifestyle, disruption of transport, loss of livelihood and occupation। ये जो डिज़ास्टर है इसमें अपना कोविड-19 को भी अपन डिज़ास्टर कह सकते हैं एक तरह का, या वो अर्थक्वेक है ये। आज हम एक काम करते हैं, वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन, अर्थक्वेक और सुनामी, ये 3 टॉपिक आज के वीडियो में देख लेते हैं, फिर बाकी कल देखेंगे। तो सबसे पहले है अर्थक्वेक। Earthquakes are shaking of the Earth's crustal blocks due to movement of plates and their rocks along a fault or plate boundaries. The rocks under stress accumulate strain energy over a period of time. When the stress exceeds the strength of the rocks, then the rocks get broken. The strain energy is released as seismic waves. The longer that energy is stored up and is maintained without release, the more likely that a strong earthquake will occur. For an earthquake to occur, there will be no warning. However, after the occurrence of the major earthquake, secondary shocks may indicate of the further earthquake. The speed of onset of an earthquake may be usually sudden. For this purpose, the earthquake-prone areas are generally well identified and demarcated. Major impacts and effects come mainly from land movement, fracture and slippage. Due to lack of warning, a severe loss of life occur during earthquakes. People of seismic prone areas must go for seismic resistant constructions, analyzing the terrain conditions, providing proper safety systems, dam production and circuit controls in gas and electricity lines. Post-earthquakes activity mainly involves proper and immediate medical assistance, rescue of victims, damage and needs assessment, relief to survivors, clearing of roads, re-establishing communication channels, supply of food, blanket, cloth and other materials. Rehabilitation includes repair and reconstruction, settling the lines of water, electricity and sewage lines, economic programs to provide jobs. Credit assistance and donations are the life-giving solutions. अब हम देखते हैं सुनामी. Tsunami are huge seismic waves that are generated by earthquakes originated under the sea. If the earthquake displaces under the sea, the waves are generated and grow while over the sea surface. The main characteristics of tsunami are: first, the velocity of the wave depends on the depth of water where the seismic disturbances occur. Second, initial wave velocity may be as high as 900 km per hour, slowing at approximately 50 km per hour. As the wave strikes the land, the warning time depends on the distance from the point of wave origin. The speed of onset varies. Their impacts on the shoreline can be perceived by a marked decrease of normal water level prior to the arrival of a wave. This can result in a massive outgoing tide followed by the incoming tsunami wave. People may be trapped when they investigate the phenomenon of the outgoing tide and then they be struck by incoming wave. The tsunami wave can be very destructive. The wave heights may reach 30 meters or more. A tsunami can also cause flooding, salt water, contamination of crops, soil and water supplies, destruction and damage to building structures and onshore shoreline vegetation. अब हम देखते हैं वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन. वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन क्या होते हैं? सडन इरप्शंस ऑफ वॉल्केनो कैन क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ डैमेजेस. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आर volcanoes which are likely to constitute a disaster threat are internationally well documented and in many cases monitored or possibly activity. Usually, therefore, major eruptions can be predicted. Volcanic blast can destroy structures and environmental surrounds and also cause fire, possibly including forest fires. Land surface cracking results and volcanic explosion may affect building and other structures. Lava flow can bury buildings and crops. It may also cause fire and render land unusable. Ash is the airborne form can affect aircraft by investigation through engines. Ground deposit of ash may destroy crops and also affect land use and water supplies. Ash may also cause respiratory problems. Mud flows may arise from associated heavy rain. इसके बाद फ्लड्स है. ये फ्लड का टॉपिक अब अपन कल के वीडियो में देखेंगे. आज के वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना. आज के लिए इतना ही. बाय.